Hey everyone, today we've got the Nordic Ware Simply Sourdough Starter Kit for homemade bread. I bought it at Costco and it was about $70. Let's unbox it. It comes with a quick start guide and recipe book. It's light. Important, for best baking results, do not preheat this pan prior to baking. Simply add dough to room temperature pan and place in oven. Rinse and dry pan and lid before initial use. So you want to clean it first. So it's light and it says it's made of durable aluminized steel. It's probably part aluminum, part steel, I'm guessing, because like I said, it's pretty light. It also says that the interior nonstick is a silicone-based coating made without PFAS that prevents the dough from sticking and is easy to clean. So, sounds like that's a good thing. You get a glass starter jar. You get a retractable lom, and what this is a little blade that you can score the top of the bread. It's taped shut. Which is basically a razor blade with a handle so you don't cut yourself. It comes with a silicone lifting sling. Easily lift bread dough in and out of the pan, prevents bread from sticking, replaces the need for parchment paper. Infinitely reusable sling is oven safe up to 500 degrees. Bakes in the oven with your bread, dishwasher safe. You get a bench scraper and you get a Danish whisk. So what we need to do is wash all this stuff and then bake some bread. In our home, my son is the official bread maestro. In using our new homemade sourdough bread kit, he stepped up and led the way. He spent about 2 weeks meticulously making his bread starter recipe using the kit's jar, proving that great bread isn't just about flour and water, it's about patience and true dedication. Here are 2 beautiful loaves of sourdough bread. The baking pan and lid worked well. It's kind of like a Dutch oven, but it's a lot lighter, and I think basically it works the same. This lifter also worked good too. So let's try some bread. My son did all the baking for this bread, and he did an amazing job. You can see the inside, it looks amazing, and it smells amazing. So if you want to do sourdough bread, to me it's something that you've got to be passionate about, because it's going to take you a couple weeks to do this process. But even if you don't want to make sourdough bread, you can still use this to make Dutch oven breads. All right, let's taste it. It's amazing. My son didn't use the recipe at all that came with the book. He just watched a bunch of YouTube videos and figured it out. So I can't really comment on that recipe, but you can either follow the recipe, obviously, or you can watch YouTube videos like he did. We got a gift today. Thank you for such uplifting quality shows. Best to you from Leanne. Thank you very much, Leanne. And what we got is a gourmet easy stainless steel garlic press fine garlic mince. Okay, here's some information about it. Thank you from Gourmet Easy. We love it when people try our products. Your cooking journey should be fun and easy. That's our one simple goal. Scan me and claim your free gift. All right. It's heavy duty. And it looks great. It's chrome on the top and kind of a silver on the bottom part. And you just put your garlic in there and squeeze it. This is great. Thank you very much, Leanne.